They want you gone tomorrow. But the law says otherwise. Here are 5 things you need to know about notice periods. Thing 1. You're entitled to minimum notice by law. 1 week if you've been employed for a month or more. After 2 years, it's 1 week per year of service, up to a maximum of 12 weeks. Your contract might give you more, but it can never give you less than the legal minimum. If they try to walk you out with no notice, that's a breach of contract. Thing 2. Notice works both ways. You have to give notice too. The legal minimum is 1 week, regardless of how long you've been there. But check your contract. Many require 1 month or more. If you leave without giving proper notice, your employer could technically claim damages. It rarely happens, but it's a risk. Thing 3. You must be paid during your notice period. Whether you're working your notice or told to stay home, you're entitled to your normal pay. That includes any regular overtime, commission, or benefits you'd normally receive. If they stop paying you during notice, that's an unlawful deduction from wages, and you can claim it back. Thing 4. They can't skip notice by calling it gross misconduct. Some employers manufacture a reason to dismiss without notice. They call it gross misconduct to avoid paying you. But gross misconduct has a high bar. It means behavior so serious that it fundamentally breaks the employment relationship. Being late twice isn't gross misconduct. A personality clash isn't gross misconduct. If they've skipped your notice without genuine grounds, you have a claim. Thing 5. Pay in lieu of notice is taxable, but it's still owed. Your employer can choose to pay you instead of making you work your notice. That's called pay in lieu of notice. It's only allowed if your contract permits it, or if you agree. If they just stop your employment and don't pay you for the notice period, that's a breach, whether or not there's a clause in the contract. Here's what employers hope you don't know. If you're dismissed without proper notice and without pay in lieu, you can claim wrongful dismissal. That's a separate claim from unfair dismissal. And it doesn't need 2 years of service. You can bring it from day 1. If your notice period has been cut short or ignored, don't let it slide. Check your contract. Calculate what you're owed. Keep everything in writing. And if they've shortchanged you, get advice. ACAS, Citizens Advice. A solicitor. Your notice period is a legal right, not a suggestion.